planets. Yeah? Yeah? Like and subscribe muna? Muna? Like and subscribe ko na? Okay. Sun? 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 Moon? Moon? Mercury? Mercury? You know what to say. Venus. Venus! Nalip tayo dito, dun sa Earth. Earth. Sino yung pangit? Joke lang na. Ikaw yung pangit, guys. Kasi di nyo na-like and subscribe in the video. Alam ako ng 20 na subscribers. Di nyo na-like and subscribe me. Bula! Okay, guys. I'm going to see the planet or like and subscribe. Okay. Mars is the biggest planet. You know it? My brain hurts. Your brain mo is Jupiter, right? And the second biggest planet is Saturn. Like and subscribe!
Next.
29 subscribers need 30 subscribers right now. I got 50 subscribers. Okay. 3 more planets. It's Uranus. Okay. It's blue. You know it. It's start with the N. It's super a decent planet. It starts with the N. Number N.
Anong number?
Banana.
Letter?
Banana. Mean letter. My mom is here. Let me show.
Don't show me.
Okay. My mom is kind of joking.
No.
Okay. I'm going to say to you. Look at my mom.
Don't do that.
Hi.
Dali na, last na.
Okay, we're not even pangalan whatever Tagalog team and we're going to team pangalan si Mami. Nakatim mo ka. Okay. Good. You pangit Mami and like and subscribe. Okay, you said pangit si Mami in the comments. Di subscribe right now. Okay. It's Pluto. Goodbye.